Hello and welcome to Powys, home of the B2N project partner PPO7. I'm going to make a short presentation now about some of the work that we've been doing on profiles of partners in the B2N project. So, how did we do it? Well, what we did to start with was to set up a standard data set by asking partners information about their organisations and the places that their organisations operated, asking them a little bit about what kind of strengths and weaknesses their businesses had, their tourism, their built heritage and their landscape. So this is what we based our research on.